we are in the very beginning with eMaint in most of the factories, but we are already seeing the factory starting to ask and work with the asset meter readings, with condition monitoring. What we want to have in the future, of course, is and I see that is the same idea that the people of eMaint have, is the possibility of taking data from those sensors that we have installed and triggering work orders automatically. We think that now with this software, we have the base to do it. So we have now the room to do it with this software, and the possibility of integration that we have with eMaint being a web-based SaaS solution with APIs and all that give us this room to integrate with different platforms. Now we are thinking high with this software. We are thinking on integrating with GoPlant, integrating with the Cardex, integrating with SAP, with different platforms that we think that can give to the maintenance people better results, working easier, be more predictable. That is the intention with eMaint in the future. I think that now we have the base and the system and the partnership as well with eMaint to do that. We all think that AI is the future, but we also, on the other hand, we can't believe that AI will solve everything. AI will not solve everything. We need to focus where AI will be a good solution. In this case, predicting failures and making real nice algorithm that will learn how the machines are failing, and that is called machine learning together with AI. Thinking about how can we in the future do more prescriptive maintenance and predict also touching spare parts, which parts we have available. If we are having some trend in some machine, then the system automatically will look out for the spare part that maybe we need to do a preventive maintenance activity. That is what we see in the future, and we have several projects running. Some projects related to machine learning connected with AI to predict failures. That is one big project that we have now running, and that is the side of AI connected with machines and predicting failures. And on the other hand, we have a project related to a chatbot to support the maintenance activities. Okay, so we are running some pilots, and the idea is to have a chatbot to support the maintenance technicians when they are going to work in the factories. Related to the future with eMaint and Fluke Reliability, they are already working with AI. They are already testing things with AI, and I think that for the future, and as I mentioned before, related to prescriptive maintenance and artificial intelligence, I think that we can do great things. And we are going with this thinking on smart maintenance and this what we do with data. So data-driven decisions. So we are taking decisions based on data, and that data can be analyzed also using AI. So I think that is the future, and working together with eMaint and Fluke Reliability will be great.